How to install your TecSOM tiles. First, remove your tiles from their packaging and store them in the room for at least 24 hours before installation. Keep the area at room temperature. Don't forget to check that all the packages have the same batch number in order to avoid differences in color. At the time of installation, the room should be empty of all furniture. The previous flooring material should be removed and the ground must be level, clean, and dry. If necessary, apply a leveling compound. To measure your room, make a mark 50 centimeters from each wall. Then trace your marks with a chalk line if possible, or with a pencil. Lay the tiles from the second row that will not need to be cut without gluing them. This first step will act as your guide for cutting the tiles that will be installed around the edges of your room. Cutting is very easy thanks to TecSOM's backing. Lay the tufted side of the carpet down with the backing up, flush with the wall, and on top of the second row laid earlier. Mark the tile at the overlap of the two tiles. Cut the tile with the help of a cutter and ruler. Turn the cut tile over and put it in place. Be sure to verify the direction of installation, which is shown on the backing by an arrow. Repeat this process for all tiles needing to be cut for the first row. Once all the cutting is complete, set aside the tiles in order to begin the gluing and final installation of each row. Coat the room and install the tiles. With the help of a roller, apply the glue row by row, beginning with the back row of the room. As each row is coated, install the tiles, pushing the first row firmly against the wall and then each following row against the one before. Always verify the direction of installation. All the arrows must be laid in the right direction. That's it. You've successfully installed your carpet. Pass over the room with a vacuum and place your furniture. This process is the same for all areas, whether rectangular, square, or a hallway. You should always start by marking the room 50 centimeters from the walls. Then laying, without gluing, the tiles from the second row that do not need to be cut. To continue, use the tiles that you have laid to help measure the cuts necessary for the first row of tiles located between the wall and other tiles. Finally, remove the tiles that are ready to be placed and glue and apply row by row.